So Elon Musk just announced that Tesla will accept Bitcoin as crypto miners use more clean energy. Back in May, early May, he had said that, you know what, we are not going to accept Bitcoin anymore. He said that they suspended any Bitcoin purchases because it's not sustainable. Energy consumption's too high. And the key thing is, though, a lot of people are overreacting to this news that Elon Musk will be accepting Bitcoin again at Tesla, because they had said Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin and they intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. So he had always said that they would come back to Bitcoin, but a lot of people just seemed to think that they were going to look towards Dogecoin, they were going to look towards, maybe Cardano, they were going to look to something more energy efficient and forget about Bitcoin. But they had never said that. They had never said that at all. And they said they were always coming back, but his tweet helped just give the market a push in the right direction. It wasn't the only reason why the market was up and why we are seeing this bit of a bull run and seeing a bit of a breakout. But because a lot of that had to do with that upgrade for Bitcoin, like we had mentioned, but it was a big deal and it did help accelerate it even more. Everyone watches what Elon Musk says. And so then he came out on Sunday, June 13th, 2021, and said essentially, look, people were criticizing him for market manipulation, saying that, he's doing it for his own gain and all this stuff. But he had said, no, look, this is inaccurate. We sold only 10% of our holdings to confirm Bitcoin could be liquidated easily without moving the market. And he said when there's confirmation of reasonable, about 50% clean energy usage for miners, then they will resume and allow Bitcoin transactions. He said this on June 13th, 2021. So he had said this after the market was already moving upwards, but essentially people were just criticizing him, saying that he was manipulating the market, that he was every time he tweets, it was manipulating it. And this doesn't really help because he tweets that they're going to use Bitcoin, the market goes up again. But he wanted to show that, look, we didn't do it for personal gain because we only sold 10% of our Bitcoin. If they were trying to really manipulate the market, they would have dumped, what his reasoning was is that they should have just dumped all their Bitcoin and bought it back. But he said that wasn't what they did. They sold off a very small portion of their holdings just to confirm that it could be liquidated easily. So even though every time he tweets, the market is moving up and down, and it seems like it's market manipulation, he says it's not. And that's inaccurate because they're not selling all of their Bitcoin, buying back in. That's not what they're doing. They're not trying to profit off of these fluctuations. He tweets, but they still own Bitcoin. They still have held it for a while. So even if he tweets something, Bitcoin drops, he's like, they only sold off a very small portion of their position. So we'll see what happens, but it looks like Bitcoin is on the road to potentially see us reach all-time highs and reach, new highs later this year. I mean, a lot of the market is down over the last 7 days. Bitcoin is up significantly over the last 7 days, but we are seeing that now Bitcoin is over 40,000, which is a price that we have not seen in a couple of weeks, something that is actually a pretty good sign for crypto moving forward.